Well guys, welcome to my haiboxing ratchet review. Full on outdoor test, and I brought it somewhere a little bit different but a little bit special. Just off of Highway 1. The view for running an RC car does not get much better than up here. It's not actually proved to be that well on sand, see what I mean? Just remember guys, if you like what you see today, don't forget to subscribe. It does look like a mini bar jar type thing. It won't go through super deep stand, but bits loose, bits like this. You could have, like I say, quite a deal of fun and not a lot of space for this thing.
Are you that demon inside of me? Trying so hard to be set free.
It's going to get kicked around a bit on here guys, but these things are like mammoth terrain for this thing climbing up. Now its handling is not bad at all, I have to say. Well, I know of quite a few big name manufacturers, one beginning with T, so which cars would struggle up here. You could have a lot of fun in quite a small space for this, and it's something, it's full on sand, it struggles with, but don't want to go off the edge there, Rich. Definitely do not want to go off that edge. Got enough power to flick that tail out if you want, but the handling, that's the steering servo on it, and the speed of the receiver, second to none. I have to say, even some big name RC stuff I've used is not as fast as this thing is in terms of that steering reaction on there. In terms of bang for the buck, this is a fun car. Very, what's use that Richie face chuckable down there. And you can flick that back end out. It does it more on demand than on every turn, if that makes sense there, guys. You would not think you'd make it up there. Second time up there. Very good. Well guys, with that finished to the video, that concludes the end of my outdoor test of the haiboxing ratchet. There is a link to it below the video. I have to say it is one of the best handling small cars I have tested in quite some while. Very durable, and with that four-wheel drive, well, it's not great on deep sand, on loose surfaces. It seems to absolutely fly along, next to no weight in there, and it's quite zippy, and that steering is absolutely spot on the money, guys. I'm telling you, I've driven cars that cost hundreds of dollars. Doing the steering is not as fast or as accurate as on this tiny little thing. Anyway guys, more to the point, I am working on rebuilding the Armour Granite 4x4 4S BLX. So if you don't want to miss that run, and it's going to be an absolute beast because yours truly is putting a 26.2 pinion in. So if you don't want to miss that video guys, don't forget to subscribe. Anyway, link to this car below the video. Well, thumbs up if you like this video, guys. Post any comments you might have in the comment section below the video, and hit the circle below to subscribe. And if you do hit the circle, don't forget to hit the bell.